Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Go Back button in card.co so your visitors can easily navigate back to your home section or a previous page. Let's get into it. First, add a button element. First, you need the physical button that users will click to navigate away from the current section. Click the plus icon and select Buttons. Place the button wherever you want the back option to appear, usually at the very top or bottom of a subsection. In the Settings panel, change the label to something clear like Go Back or Return Home. You can also add a back arrow icon from the icon library to make it more intuitive. Next, link to the main section. Because Card uses a one-page structure, going back actually means navigating to the section you've designated as your home or previous view. In the button's URL field, you need to use the hashtag symbol followed by the ID of your main section. By default, the very first section of a card site is named Home, so to go back to the start, you would simply type hashtag home into the URL box. If you haven't manually named your first section, Card often recognizes a single hashtag as the command to return to the top or beginning of the site. If you are linking back from a specific page like Portfolio to Services, make sure you use the exact ID you gave that section, like hashtag Services. Lastly, style for secondary importance. A Go Back button should be functional, but shouldn't usually distract from your main call to action buttons. Go to the Appearance tab for that button. Consider changing the style to Outline or making the background color slightly more neutral than your primary buttons. This visual hierarchy helps users understand that this is a navigation tool rather than the main goal of the page. And that's pretty much it. To create a Go Back button in 2026, add a button element, set the label to Go Back, and most importantly, set the URL to hashtag home or the specific hashtag ID of the section you want to return to. Finish it off with an outline style so it sits cleanly in your design without overpowering your main content. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.